Sangechuhi, and I'm looking at some plants that you can use for a shade garden or container planters. So here we have a good selection of those kinds of plants that you can take, and all these, because they are growing under this lath house, it's like let me show you really quickly. They're growing under, so it shows that they do well under shade. Of course, a lot of anthuriums that you can use. And all these, they give you an idea of the kinds of plants. If you had an area in your landscape that was a bit shaded, these are the types of plants that will do a little bit better. They don't do too well in the sun if you have too much sun. And of course, you have lots of ferns. Right here, we have lots of ferns, a lot of philodendrons, different types of philodendrons. And of course, this is a good display of ferns and oxalis over there, so flag plants. So if you do want to have a shade garden, these are wonderful plants that you can have. This is, of course, a good collection. This is Philodendron Xanadu. I love it. It looks very nice in the landscape when you do plant it. And of course, you have different types of gingers here. And so if you're deciding to have a shade garden, this is an example of some of those plants that you can have in your shade garden. So click on the link below to learn more about creating your shade garden. Thank you so much. This is Anne Gechuhi.